How's it going? It's been our first time owning a zero turn. It's a bit of a learning curve trying to learn how to drive a thing. It's a 22 HP 724cc Yard Machines. Let's see, first of all, look down here, there's a diagram. If you're trying to unload it from a trailer or something, you can pull the pin, lock it. One on the other side. And then the, oh, that grass. Pull that pin and you roll. Lock it back. Lock it back. Now it won't roll. And these lock it as well. Alright. So day one. I'm missing the cover because it never made it home from the trailer ride. I got the covers loose because I was cleaning out from under it. If you don't do any cleaning on it, the grass builds up and gets in the way of the belt. I actually rub against the belt and burn the belt up. So I took these off. These are 10mm. I was just cleaning up. It's got holes to drop stuff, but the big clumps it won't go down. So I may have to take a water hose to it. Clean it up here and there. Yeah, learning how to ride this thing's woo-woo. If you turn the wheels, turn the arms too quick, they'll sit there and dig a hole in the ground. Blade on, blade off, turtle, rabbit, choke. If you watched a previous video of how much grass and all I have to cut around the pond. Kind of help decide to buy one of these. I like to keep the blade height on 5. I'm gonna have to build a grass guard. Anyway, this is my first zero turn. I'd say go somewhere if you've never driven one. Go somewhere and practice getting used to it before going at it. It was pretty difficult. Anyway, don't forget to like and subscribe, hit the notification. I'm gonna be working on the Honda Shadow, getting it back running in upcoming videos. Anyway, peace out.